Hi guys, on Rust Repair here. Just to show you what I'm working on at the moment. So this Mercedes Sprinter 4x4, it's a Heimer Grand Canyon, came today, and the owner asked me to find a way to fix a box here at the back so he can put his off-road tools, his jacks outside of the vehicle, so they don't have to go inside if they get dirty, or if you're in a muddy or sandy terrain, that the inside can stay clean, and the outside, all the tools that you may need if you get stuck. And also I will need to put like a holder for a jerry can, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and that's one of the last steps. And then this one will go across the ocean to do the Panamericana, so Patagonia up to Alaska. So quite a trip, and so just to make sure that this van is ready for adventure. I was also working on this Vario camper. It's a big camper, lots of room inside, and this one had rust below the windshield, so I replaced the lip and a piece of the firewall on this one, changed the rubber, changed the windscreen, and now I'm waiting for the cover here from the dealer. The one I received last week, funnily enough, was for a right-hand drive vehicle, because apparently when you put the chassis name of this vehicle by Mercedes, they think it's a right-hand drive vehicle, which obviously it isn't. So kind of a mystery, but should be here in a couple days, and then the hood can go back on and it can go back on the road. And this one is still stuck in homologation, because I'm still trying to find paperwork from Mercedes stating what is the total weight allowable on this chassis. I know it's around 13 tons, truck plus trailer, but I need a paperwork stating that this vehicle in particular can pull this much weight. And it's difficult because at the time those vehicles were produced, they never put on the plates from the factory how much it could be total. They were always putting the vehicle weight max and the weights for axles, but never how much total. So at the moment I cannot import it, still waiting on paperwork. So yeah, those are the summer projects at the moment, and later I will do again a Vario 4x4, raising roof, and yeah, so that's summer projects, lots of adventure vehicles. So stay tuned for more content. I will probably do some regular Instagram posts showing the progress on the carry at the back on this one in the coming days. Bye.